So today guys, my package came now. This is the Brilliant fingerboards. So let's unbox this. So this is the packaging. It's nice. It's nice. Oh, this is the wheels. There's libreng foam tape. And this is the tracks. Wow, it's a good tracks with stickers, and the wheels have stickers too. More stickers, and this is the board. You can see Brilliant, and there's pre-foam tape and stickers. So wait for me build this. So guys, let's open now. First, let's open this board. Okay. This is their page of their Shopee. So this is the board. This is a 34mm here. I don't know what is this, but this is clean. You can see there's a foam tape. Just put it aside, and this is the sticker. There's two stickers now. Let's open these tracks. And sticker again. And this is the trucks. There's a good bushing here. And let's open this. And now let's open these wheels. And there's a stickers again. Put it aside. Let's take out these wheels. This is the white wheels. Let's put in here. So let's build this. And now I'm done setting this up, and this feels so good. See? And we're gonna put this grip. I'm gonna do grip design is like this, like my other grip. And now let's put it now. And let's put this now. And I'm done setting this up, and this is so good. And let's try a kick flip test. So goodbye guys, and thank you. And Bye to the brilliant fingerboards. This is so good. Bye guys.